All right, folks. Here's the exhaust manifold where Gary put this together with the kit. There's the kit that goes with this. It's a joint kit. All the goodies, insulation, shields, and your clamps. It's not a video out here on this, so we get ready to put this together.
All the haters in the world.
All right, folks, well, we're back. We did one here just to get a little bit of see what it comes out to look like. Looks pretty damn good. So we're gonna end up coming back and doing a full video of the other side so you can see how it gets installed. Pretty good job here. You don't want nothing coming out on the sides of your insulation. It looks pretty good there. So yeah, we'll be back here shortly. After we get done here, we're gonna go on this side and install with the video. Thanks. All right, so now we're back. What she has here in her left hand is called a clamshell. Clams. But anyways, that's a clamshell she has there. And there's the other clamshell, which it'll go on top. This one goes on the bottom. Here's her insulation. She has to fold it in there nicely. And it's actually pretty cool. That insulation stays kind of cold. It's weird. But do you see this groove here? This groove has to go down into this groove here. So, and then you gotta wrap it around. Sorry, folks. So you gotta wrap it around. And they recommend that you use some tape. They recommend you use tape to hold it together here. So you want electrical tape would be fine. It's gonna melt away anyway, so it's not gonna hurt nothing. That way it holds it together while you're doing your installment. And if you want, so you can hold your shield, make sure your shield is on the outside and no insulation on both sides. You put a piece there, you grab your shield and hold your shield up. And we'll put another little piece over here to keep it intact there. You need any on that side?
No. Let's hold. Claims looking good.
All right. Just kind of squeeze it on there.
Hang on, a little crooked over here.
All right. So that's on there. Now you're gonna get the clamp. And you're gonna clamp it. It looks a little crooked, but once you start tightening it down, you'll hear it click and it'll straighten up. So you want to take one clamp at a time and tighten it up. And you got little notches here. Might have put it too tight. All right. So you got two little notches here. You want to make sure your clamp stays inside them notches.
On the bottom too.
On the bottom, there's a notch on the bottom as well. Them diamonds. Woo-wee. All right.
Now, Brian, you want to start tightening?
Yep. All right. We'll be right back shortly. Hold on. Just go back and forth. Make sure you stay in them notches.
Okay. All right, and when you're putting these clamps on, make sure you put the wide side out.
Facing
together.
out.
Both of them got wide, and then they got a thinner side over here.
The thinner side goes in that groove.
Just keep on tightening.
All right, folks, we're back here with the finished product. As you can see, that's what it should look like. You got notches here, so you make sure your clamps are inside these notches. And right here, you want to make sure that your clamshells are touching together. Nothing's on the outside. This is a finished product here. Looks pretty good, guys. Like I said, make sure you're inside your notches, and yeah, looks good. Looks really good. So now back to the main thing of getting this put back on today. Thanks. Be back shortly.